how to add new volume style on your Android phone. First, open up the Play Store, then tap on the search button at the bottom. In here, you want to type in no volume, and then tap on the app to install, then tap on install. Next, we open it, then scroll down and tap on accept. Now tap on install apps. Here tap on no volume, then tap on the toggle button and then tap on allow. Now tap on the back key, then tap on back again. Next tap on grant permission, tap on open settings, then tap on notifications, tap on allow notifications. Now tap on the back key, tap on back, and then swipe across, and then tap on finished, then tap on allow, and here tap on general. From here you'll be able to change some settings, so go down. Here tap on overlay settings, and from here you can change the volume control position, so we can move it up or down. We can change the size of the volume control, and we can change the volume sensitivity. So drag it on that, then tap on applied. Down here you can move it to the right hand side so that it will sit on the right hand side. And in here you can invert scrolling, and you can change the dial decoration as well. So there are some other changes that you can apply. Okay, now tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Press on the volume button to show the volume control, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.